In front of me is REALME Q2, and let me show you how to reset downloaded apps with your data. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select additional settings and go to backup and reset. And here just click on erase all data. Now here you will find erase downloaded apps and your data tab. Smoothly click on it. And if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to perform this operation, click on erase data. And then confirm it again by tapping on erase data. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you need to be sure that you want to do it. And if you do, just click on erase data. Now wait until your device is restarted, and then you will be able to use your device in a normal way with all downloaded apps deactivated. And now just set up your device. Set up your device, so let me pick language, region, then confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms above, tap on next, use mobile data, connect your device to your Wi-Fi, tap on next, and just let me quickly go through this setup process. Here you can choose your search provider. I will go with Google. And it's also almost all, sorry. And that's it. So you've just reset apps and your data. Now you can download new ones and then customize it. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.